Okay, hello and welcome to a teardown video of an Audi TT Mark III LED headlight. I already baked the headlight in the oven, so I can remove the plastic cover and put it in this tape so it doesn't catch any dirt or debris. This is also the first time I've been doing this, so there is quite a lot of steps where I didn't know exactly what to do. But anyways, this is more of a entertaining video. Yeah, you saw there already me putting a finger through a hole on the side, and there is another one on the top. I am going to repair this headlight and put it back together. I just didn't come to that yet. First step I did is remove every obvious screw, which wasn't enough because there are quite a few screws that are somewhat hidden, but you will see that as we progress through the video. So enjoy watching a time lapse. Now pay close attention, as this is the first thing you should remove once you open the headlight, this small plastic piece which is held by 3 clips. This is the first thing that goes out. In this video, this is the first piece that I've pulled out by mistake. I didn't break it, but this is not the first thing, this is the second thing that should go out. After that, you will have a clear access to a cornering light module, which is held on by a couple of ball joints. This is the thing, and it should be just pulled out with some force. And here you can see me pulling out the piece that I was telling you about earlier. It has those 3 clips, 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Now we pulled out the cornering light module. There it is. Only 2 ball joints and 1 sliding rail, and you need to use quite some force to just pull it out straight out of the headlight unit. Here it is, 1 reflector, 1 aluminium heatsink, and this is 1 and the 2nd ball joint points, and really tiny 3 LED diodes. That's it. And now finally I have found all the screws that are holding the daytime running lights and the indicator in the headlight. Removed them, and now we can pull that module out and of course unplug the connector for the indicator. Let's put this thing on the side real quick. This is the module and it comes out as 1 unit. It has 3 optical fibers, like in clear plastic. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one is over here. Clear plastic through which the light is coming through, and that's it. And here are the mounting points. So this is where the screw was at, the one that is hidden, and then those were 2. Then we have 2 on the upper side and a couple more on the lower side. And this is how the headlight looks like now. It has opened up quite a few extra bolts that we need to remove now. This is the plug for the cornering light, and the lower part is the indicator. There are a few other screws that are holding the ball joints for the high beams, and those 3 are the LED modules for the daytime running lights that I have shown you just now. Okay, this was the crucial screw for this step, because after that we can remove this plastic shroud, also held in by a myriad of screws, 3 or 4 I think, and a couple of clips. 1, 2 and 3 screws and a couple of clips back there. Putting that on the side and moving on, we can now clearly see both high beams and low beam modules. Now that the high beam module is out, this is the first ball joint. The second one is over here with this whole piece. and the whole thing swivels on those joints. Just another two plastic reflectors with two PCBs, each hosting a bigger LED chip, and all of that on an aluminum heatsink. There is no fan on this module. So this is how the headlight looks like with only the low beam module installed. This is the rail on which the high beams slide back and forth for the adjustments. Again, playing the game of find the screw. There are quite a lot of screws left to remove another shroud made out of plastic. And here it is, 5 screws for this really unimportant piece. This is now the low beam module, which is exactly the same for Matrix and LED headlight as far as I know so far. And this is where I stopped. I didn't pull it out. I am going to do it with a Matrix module and go more into detail on that. And the low beam module is held by a couple of screws more, and then 2 or 3 ball joints as I can remember. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it.